ॐ विद्राणे रुद्रवृन्दे सवितरतरले भजनि ध्वस्तवज्रे जाता शङ्का शशाङ्के विरमतिमरुति त्यक्तवैरे कुबेरे वैकुण्ठे कुण्ठिताश्रे महिषमतिर्सम्पौरुषोपग्ननिघ्नं निर्विघ्नं निघ्नतीव समयतु दुरितं भूरिभावा भवानी समयतु दुरितं भूरि भावा भवानी. In our first session, we know all about the Navratri first festival. Actually, whole universe is full of an energy, cosmic energy. Within the body, that's vital force, and out of the body in the whole universe, that is known as a cosmic energy. Clear? Each and every person is Shiva in a little potency. Super Shiva is Paramatma, and the cosmic energy is the vibration of Shiva. And that is known in the scriptures as a Kali, Durga, Shakti. Shakti and Shiva. Shiva means omnipresent, supreme source of everything. The source of all the sources of the universe. And that energy flows here and there in the whole universe. That is Shakti. Scientifically, that Shakti is approved as a God particles. God particles means all the particles emit from somewhere. That is the Shiva. That means these God particles are within the cosmic energy, and there is something or somewhere the source or the nucleus of such emission or radiation of energy. That source is Shiva according to Vedic scriptures. Whatever name you can give that, that's no matter. But that's that. And that energy is a Shakti. And that is known and approved and accepted by the scientific coterie as a God particles. So, that Shakti is God particles. God particles are out of the body and also within the body. Out of the body, that is known as a cosmic energy, and within the body, that's known as a vital force. So how to strengthen, spiritize, and strengthen, how to potentize this Shakti, this vital force within the body. This is the motive, and this is the purpose of this celebration of Navratri, Mahanavratri fast festival. Any doubt? I think there is no doubt. So, Istriyah Parvati Sarvaha Purusha Sarve Shivaha Shivaha Purusha Sarve Shivaha Purusha Sarve Striya Sarvaha Parvati. This is the scriptural verse. That means each and every person is Shiva, and each and every female is Shakti. So, Siya Ram मैं सब जग जानी करहूँ प्रणाम जोर जुग पानी. This is the quotation from Ramcharitmanas. That's that the great poet Tulsidas says, everywhere I see Shiva and Shakti. Everywhere, in every atom, in every neutron, proton, everywhere that potency, that Shakti is working. And Shiva is the base. Shiva is Adhishthan. And Shivani is Adhishthatri. Adhishthan means pivotal point, the base, repository point from where all type of radiations, all type of emitting, all type of lights or vibrations expand. That is Shiva, and that's the nucleus. And energy emit from that nucleus, that is Shivani, that is Shakti. In our Vedic scriptures, all these scientific mysteries are revealed in very easily, because sages understand that we all the people who are not realized yet, all are children. So how to teach a child so efficiently? That method is applied by our sages, and they are very successful. And when you will go through all these scriptures, you will find always yourself as a child, and very in-depth matter, very mysterious and secrets of this universe are revealed in very story form, allegorically, and as a tale to clear our concept that these tales, these stories will be learned by the students generation by generation, generation by generation, and one day someone will understand all these things. And actually it happened. When the concept of God particles came, then everything is clear. Quantum theory, quark theory, string theory, and later this God particle theory, and later there will be a God theory. When God particles are there, so God is there, because particles are not existent in itself. The particles are of something. They are surrounding everywhere. So that, just I told you, there is some nucleus, and that nucleus can be understood as a Shiva. And Shakti is energy, cosmic energy all over the world, all over the universe or multiverse, and vital force within the body. So, within the body, vital force is challenged, and how to remove all those challenges. This is the motive of this formulation of Navratri fast festival. Actually, it is internal festival. It is a meditative festival. It is a healing festival. Okay, that's celebrated outside, but actually the purpose of sages was to be introvert and attain within 9 days what? Fitness, wellness, and all blissfulness. So it is wondering here that within 9 days a rejuvenation takes place. In our body, all the toxic materials are stored, and they are actually black matter within the body. That is Kali. Kali is a vital force that has been blackened because of venomous materials within the body, and that's must to protect the vital force from this black matter. And how to make Kali to Durga, I will explain in next session. Thank you very much for today.